What a bitch of a time wearing gloves, man. Right? Hard to press a button. I bet you never worked outside midnights, minus 19 degrees below, and trying to wear a pair of gloves and doing your job. Oh yeah, I remember those days. I'm in a mood for a bacon and egg and cheese sandwich. Did I say that right? Bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Yeah, I used to go down to the hotel breakfast area, grab all that bacon, sausage, oh man, load it up, and get ready to head on out. Oh, look, holiday lights, Christmas tree, and decoration already. I hope you got your stuff. Yeah, man, joyous holidays. BFD. I gotta go get some gas. It's cheap now. It was a little cheaper before, but it's cheap. Oh yeah. Told you, holidays are here, man. We didn't even get to the first one. Oh, look at this. Santa, can I get... All right, thanks, Santa. I'll go get one. They did a nice job. Oh yeah. Let's get on out of here. I got permission. How sweet is that? It's always a pleasure to see things like that, but there's always one in the crowd. And yeah, that's what happens when you got a sour apple and you got that, you know, worm that's in there. It is what it is. Oh, what a beautiful sunrise, but I'm not going to see it over here. I got to keep on going, but you know what? Maybe you could spill it out. Or was it supposed to be? But you'll climb to. It's never a. Go get your cup of coffee. You'll never figure that out. I know you're too smart for me. And let's get on out of here. To all, everyone, happy holidays. I hope everyone has a very happy and healthy Thanksgiving to one and all. I'm not sure what we're all going to get for Black Friday deal. For some of us, every day is like Christmas. For the others, it is not. I want to hear down below what you're going to get for BFD. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on another video.